Hi guys! Welcome again to our day 26.
Day 18.
Day 18. Actually, nakapag-perform na siya. Pero dahil penalty niya, ang dami niyang kain ng lunch kanina. Magpe-perform tayo, alright? Ganito yung get up ko. Ganyan din yung get up niya. Wala nang bihisan to. Adja, tara! Let's go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55,
Oh my God, hey
56,
guys.
57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62,
Oh my God.
63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 81, 2,
Oh my God,
3,
Damo.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, faster, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100! O, diba? Ang challenge niya, 200.
Aray ko ginoo.
So, exercise now, inom naman later. Joke. Bye, guys!